Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just wanted to make a quick video on actually connecting to OpenVPN for TryHackMe, just for any beginners out there that don't really know how to connect to the VPN. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. All right, let's go overhead, and I got my VM Workstation Pro actually opened up. You can see over here on the top, I'm under Kali. So first things first is we're going to go over to tryhackme.com. I'm already signed in. You're going to go over to the top right, click on your little icon. Mine right here is that Phoenix. Go to access. When you're at access, you'll see, access via OpenVPN. And again, this is connecting through the CLI or the terminal in Linux, which is Kali. Oh, Kali, which is Linux, really. All right, so you got all the details here. The VPN server name USE, service status is available. You're not connected, and your VPN or your virtual IP address is not connected yet. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the right. It says machines, networks, VPN server USE. Go ahead and click download my configuration file. You've chosen to open Rubelefsky.ovpn, which is an OpenVPN file. We're gonna save it. Then we're going to go over to our terminal. I'm actually already in downloads, but we'll go back to home real quick. So I'm going to press ls, type in ls, cd downloads, ls. You see Rubelefsky.ovpn is in the downloads folder. I'm going to file, open up a new tab. I'll fix that. So now we're going to do sudo openvpn. Oh, wait. And because we're not actually in the downloads folder, we're going to type that out first. This is going to be the file path. And we're going to press enter. I'm going to put in my password. And you're going to see right here, it's going to go through what it's doing. It's going to initialize. And then it says initialization sequence completed. Now, if you wanted to, you could always just go to downloads and then type in sudo openvpn like this, and just type in Rubelefsky.ovpn, but it will be your name, of course. All right, so now we're connected. We're gonna go make sure we are connected. We're just gonna refresh this page, and this will all change. There we go. VPN still stays the same. The server name, the server status still connected. We are connected, and the internal virtual IP address is 10.6.107.9. When you go to a room, you'll see that it's connected on the top. You'll see you're connected. We'll go take a look. Dashboard, we'll go to Wireshark 101, which we'll be doing soon. And you'll see up top here, you will see the internal virtual IP address. And that's it. You're connected. You'll be able to do all the rooms. You could, here, let's see. I'll show you what I mean. Let's go to view path, junior pen tester. And let's just go down to Metasploit intro. Right here. Okay, work with modules, start machine, and then you'll be connected. And that's it for OpenVPN. I will go ahead and end this video here. And if there's any questions, just go ahead, comment, subscribe, like it. I like critique. I'm going to be doing this, so I want to know what everyone likes. All right, have a good day and Happy New Year.